Silmiai, I see something I never have seen before. Snow at Atlanterhavsveien. That has maybe happened 2-3 times the last 20 years. Now it's snow, snow, snow. And there you can see much more snow coming from the northeast. Black, bluish cloud. There is our fishing platform. See the seagulls. Let's try to get over the bridge. Very careful, cautious. I don't know what's the right word. You know what I mean? Today I'm driving very slowly, not to end up in the ditch. Last night I went to bed about 10 o'clock, I think, and I could not sleep. I was so tired, I could not sleep. And then of course I woke up many times. That's typical me, isn't it? And then I had to get up. I was awake when the alarm came on the clock this morning, 10 minutes past 4. So I've been sleeping very little.